Hey everybody, it's Jamie from the Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, and this is a pile of engines we couldn't save. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we're not going to be able to utilize these parts for other people's engines to get them back out on the water. I'm just saying that these poor guys came in and dead on arrival, and I couldn't revive them. This is Johnson gear cases. Looks like that's a Honda gear case. More Johnson, Mercury. Yeah, there was no coming back from that one. Mind you, I did get that one back in the water. That was all brand new parts though. Oh, what else do we got here? Another old Merc. A couple Force engines here for parts. Back inside the shop, I've got a 135 Opti. I've got a 175 Opti that I wasn't able to save. And believe it or not, this might be able to save if someone wants to take it all apart and clean up the rings and clean up the cylinders and throw new rings into it. But it's not going to be this guy because it's not going to make any money. And this little guy, believe it or not, just needs a rewind, but tough to find. Old control box, Mariner gear case. Yeah, lots of stuff here we can't save, but there's hundreds, if not thousands, that get fixed. All right, thanks for watching.